approximately half of unintended pregnancies are due to contraceptive failures. So mostly couples they like gap between one child into the another child. Okay, minimum government also medical the doctors also has advised 3 years gap is must for one child into the another child. Okay, so they can involving in a contraceptive method, that is the avoid the pregnancy, the couple that is involving in a contraceptive method. ஸோ தேவையில்லாமல் ப்ரெக்னென்ட் ஆயிடுது, அவங்களுக்கு இஷ்டமே இருக்காது ஆனால் ப்ரெக்னென்ட் ஆயிடுவாங்க. அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, அன்இன்டெண்டட் ப்ரெக்னென்சி. ஓகே, இட் இஸ் காஸ்ட் டியூ டு த கான்ட்ராசெப்டிவ் ஃபெயிலியர். That control method, it is failure, it is making a unintended pregnancies. So largely owing to inconsistent or incorrect use of contraceptive methods. So mostly they cannot use in the proper contraceptive methods. Incorrect contraceptive methods also it is making in a pregnancy. So the effectiveness of long acting reversible contraceptive. ஸோ அதனால் என்ன, எது வந்து ரொம்ப எஃபெக்டிவாக இருக்கும் கான்ட்ராசெப்டிவ் மெத்தடில்? லாங் ஆக்டிங். ஓகே, நிறையா நாளைக்கு நிறையா வருஷத்துக்கு 4 or 5 years. ஓகே, அதுதான் என்னது லாங். தென் அகெயின் that female become in a fertility, they can possible to produce the child. Okay, so that is the for what long acting reversible contraceptive methods that they are using mostly intrauterine devices and contraceptive implants, the diaphragm, cervical cap, so like that they are using. That is the for what effectiveness. Okay, long acting reversible contraceptive is superior to that of the contraceptive pills, tablets க்கு பதிலா என்ன செய்யலாம், அவங்க இந்த லாங் ஆக்டிங் ரிவர்சிபிள் கான்ட்ராசெப்டிவை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அந்த மெத்தட்ஸ் அவங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, can you understood? They should not change any alteration, so we can use this method. That is the for what effectiveness method. Then educating young women about the usage of intrauterine device and contraceptive implants would dramatically reduce the number of unintended pregnancies. So the young women, they can have in educating people, they will use this effectiveness long acting reversible contraceptive they will use, so that it is avoiding the unintended pregnancies. Okay, that is also one of the family planning method. Can you understood this? Okay, the next one, sexually transmitted diseases. Number of diseases through the sexual contact they can transfer from male to female or female to male. Okay, that is known as the sexually transmitted diseases. Sexually transmitted diseases or venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections are called as sexually transmitted infections. Maybe the disease or in a infection, that is known as the sexually transmitted infections. Normally sexually transmitted infections are transmitted from person to person during the intimate sexual contact with an infected partner. Any one partner, male or female, any one partner may be have an infection. That infection from one person to another person through the sexual contact they can spread. Which one is spread? Sexually transmitted infections they can spread. You can say the example, that infection known as hepatitis B and HIV. Okay, these diseases they can transfer through sexually by their parent, by their partners, or then infusion needles, that persons they can use that needles, and the needle மூலமா உள்ளுக்குள்ள ஒரு இன்ஜெக்ஷனோ இல்லை ஏதோ யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா that needles then use the another person, they can easily spread. Okay, and surgical instruments, or then they didn't wash the instruments proper, through the surgical instruments also that sexually transmitted infection they can spread from one person to another person. And blood transfusion, or then infected mother to the baby. So sexually transmitted infection they can spread through the sexual contact, or in a infusion needle, or in a surgical instruments, or in a blood transfusion, or from infected mother to the baby. People the age of 15 to 24 years are prone to the infections. Which people they can possible to cause this infection? In the between age of 15 to 24. Okay, the bacterial sexually transmitted infections are gonorrhea, syphilis, conchroid, chlamydosis and lymphogranulosa viridium. These are the bacterial disease. And the viral disease are known as genital herpes, genital rods, hepatitis B and AIDS. These diseases, this infection, it is caused by virus. And trichomoniasis, a protozoan. This disease, it is spread by protozoa. Then candidiasis is spread by fungi. Okay, so sexually transmitted infections caused by bacteria, fungi, protozoan or parasites can be treated with the antibodies or other medicines. We can treat with the help of the antibodies or then in medicines. So this infection causes virus cannot be treated. So bacterial we can rectify. We can have in a treatment. So in the medicines and then in other antibody treatment we can rectify that infections. But this infection, it is caused by virus, cannot be treated. But the symptoms can be controlled by antiviral medical. So antiviral medication only we can control that, but we cannot rectify. Latex condom usage generally reduce the infections but does not completely eliminate. So that people, they can have the infection but they want to involve in a sexual contact, they can use the condoms, latex condoms. That one they can reduce the for what risk, but we cannot say definitely they can eliminate the infection, but it is reduce the risk of transmission of sexually transmitted infections. Then prevention, how we can take the preventive steps for this sexually transmitted diseases. Avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Use condoms. In case of doubt, consult a doctor for diagnosis and get complete treatment. They can have in a doubt, consult a doctor to diagnosis what type of disease, then they will give the treatment. Okay, this prevention they will ask in a 2 mark or in a 3 mark. Then what is sexually transmitted diseases also they will ask in a 2 mark or 3 mark. What are the bacterial disease, viral disease, protozoan, fungi, 2 mark, 3 mark or 1 mark they will ask. So you must study thorough. Then according to the World Health Organization, in the year 2017, more than 1 million people globally occurs a sexually transmitted infection every day. So in the year 2017, WHO said more than 1 million people throughout the world, more than 1 million people, they from every day they are affecting the sexually transmitted infection. From that, India has the third largest. அதில் இந்தியா வந்து என்னது தேர்ட் பிளேஸில் இருக்குது, தேர்ட் லார்ஜஸ்ட் ஹெச்ஐவி எபிடமிக் இன் த வேர்ல்டு. த்ரூஅவுட் த வேர்ல்டில் இந்தியா இஸ் த வாட் தேர்ட் பிளேஸ் ஃபார் ஹெச்ஐவி. ஹெச்ஐவி இஸ் ஏ செக்ஸுவலி டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டட் டிசீசஸ். Okay, nearly 2.1 million people they are living with HIV in India. Then TMHSP, Tamil Nadu Health System Project. Tamil Nadu Health System Project, Union of the Health and Family Welfare Department of the Government of Tamil Nadu does free screening of cervical and breast cancer. This project, they know to maintain the health of the family and then the welfare. The government of Tamil Nadu, it is doing the free screening test. Screening in a diagnosis பண்ணக்கூடிய டெஸ்ட். என்ன டெஸ்ட்? cervical and breast cancer. ஸோ மோஸ்ட்லி இப்போ ஃபீமேலுக்கு breast cancer வந்து இப்போ ஜாஸ்தியாக வந்துட்டுருக்கு. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதுக்கு தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கு, ஃப்ரீயாக ஏதாச்சும் சிம்டம் தெரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா ஃப்ரீயாக நம்ம டயக்னோசிஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, can you understood all of you? Okay, next we are going to discuss about the sexually transmitted diseases and its symptoms.